Hello. Good morning, traders. Well, now it's more like afternoon. Trading hours was much earlier. Trading hours were, my trade started at 9:44. First trade, actually 9:33, 3 minutes into the open. And I was done at 56. I had to leave today to get some things taken care of at 10, so I had to leave a little early today. I came back. I just got back at 12, and I was checking to see if there's anything running. There's not much. Everything is kind of not. Oh, UVXY finally breaking. I've been watching this the whole time, but I can't short it, so I'm not really worried about it. I can't short it. Rejected. Let's just try out of curiosity. Maybe they have, nope, can't short it. Anyways, I'm not messing with that. This is a runner from Friday that I was looking at, so I put it on my watch list for this second day follow through, and it was so choppy, and I didn't really mess with it anyway. So let's go back to our first trade of the day, KAVL. I guess we'll go here. Nope. So KAVL here. Where are you, KAVL? It was like the first trade I took of the day. Let's just type it. KAVL. All right. So KAVL. I took a trade here for the long. I was seeing that rejection, but when it was up here, when it broke it, it felt really well. It stayed up there for a while. Let me pull up the video when I was in the trade. So I got in the trade at 9:33. Let's see. 9:33. See, I was only on for like an hour. Okay, so this is when I got in the trade. Got in the trade here after this rejection was fighting back up. So I got in, and
my exit is at support 50.48.
So VWAP was at 50, and I put 48 stop at the end of this last bar right here. So I got off for a small loss in this one. The trade goes on. It keep bouncing in my. See, it keep bouncing to 50, and my levels were 55. My average was at 55, and then it just never. It went up to 60, 64, I think, but it didn't hold. And I was trying to get the break of 62 right here. That's the break I was really looking for.
And higher lows. That's good.
Which is good.
Here we go, 59.
There's the 60. And this is when it was supposed to break. Okay, it was supposed to break up here, but it never did. So it had no reason to come back here again. So I gave it a little bit to 50, but I got out.
Dip is getting bought up.
I got out when all this buying. Look at this, a strong candle right here, but with a long tail. So it's like it's in the middle. So I kept watching it for 50. When it gave me, I was like, you know what? It's not really going anywhere. So I got out of the trade for a little small loss. And good thing I did, because it kept going down. it pulled back all the way to like in the 30s, I think.
I'm gonna get out of here.
So I
For a
got
small
out of
loss.
it. Yeah, and good thing I did too, because I sold out of it. Okay, so that was that trade. So I took I think it was $30. Yeah, $30 small loss, which is okay. I'd rather a small loss than a big loss, and small gains than big losses. I'll take that. I could have taken it at 60, but I was really looking for the break of 62. So so the second trade we took was SOFI. SOFI pulled back, and I got in the trade. Where is SOFI? Right here. Up here. Too much. It pulled back from 63. It opened at 63, 61, went to 63 and flush. And on that flush down here, I bought in at 27. Then I added at 35 and added at 44, and it got rejected. On the rejection, and the way the stock was moving, you could tell it was still strong. So at 9:40, let's go see how that went. So 4 minutes later, I took another trade, and SOFI was here. Okay, so I bought in here, and they keep going up, and I added into the trade at 35. I believe it was, yep. No, I think it was it the next candle or this one? Yep, I bought in at the bottom of this candle here. And then, because I was going to keep adding on the way up, getting a good average of 36 was really my intentions. And I was getting there on the breakout, and then it got rejected. But this is my third. 41, and then it got rejected, and it flushed. On that flush, I added to my share size for a better average. Bought again, and then the breakout started after the 25, because my out was gonna be at 22. I was getting ready to be out. I wasn't gonna hold it if it break that candle right here, my first candle. Double touch, and then that's when the breakout started. And I started selling at 43 because my average at this time was 32. So I took 10 cents, took some money off the table at 43. There it is, at the hit, get some money off the table. Then I sold half. The breakout broke VWAP and kept going up. So I took took some more money off the table. I sold another half.
We're gonna get another portion out if it comes back to 50, and the rest will go if it comes back to 50. So I'm just gonna trail it with a 5 cents.
I'm gonna pause it right here and start over. Alright, there we go.
53 on the bid, 54. So we're at trail right here.
Then with only 430 something shares left,
there we go, 54.
I held it
57, so
57 on the pullback, and it was strong too. I took some profit on top of this candle here. Took some more money off the table, and I kept watching it. Then I started trailing it manually.
I'm gonna cut this in half again. 103, 60, 158. I'm gonna do a 5 cents since this is only half.
There you go.
58, 63.
And I wanted to keep my my profit taking on the top end of each candle because of these. That's a long
65.
that's a big push right here, so it is gonna pull back. I expected
65.
that, so I took some more profit.
Good.
And I of course expected a really good pull resistance at the high of day.
And high 63.
Had it
So I needed
broken half
to base
high
it
of
on
day with
63.
powerful volume, I would have added at high of day,
To the 100, to 50, 50.
but it wasn't strong enough. So I just sold half of it again, and I kept like 100 to see where we would go with that. And I gave it to 50. I gave it a 50,
but then
more like
I don't
20
like
cent.
those kind of moves. For me, it's. I mean, I can now. I'm in the trade. I mean, I'm up on the trade, so I can hold this. That's the good part about being positive on the trade.
Yeah.
Actually, what I'm gonna do with this.
So hold on. So up here, this candle starting when it started turning red, and it came down to 50. That's when I was like, you know what? I'm going to take profit and get out of the trade for this pullback, because I like I said, I had to go at 10 o'clock. I had to get out of here. So I took the last portion out, and that was the end of that trade. But it was a good trade. I kept looking at it for the next 4 or 5 minutes before I left, but it wasn't really.
I'm gonna type like this here.
I was looking for the VWAP bounce, but it was breaking through VWAP, bounce on VWAP, break through VWAP. It was just getting out of pattern. So I headed out and ended the day at 254. The 12 trades that I took, it wasn't in and out. It was I got in. I did 5 ins, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 5 out, because this one was actually 104, and it broke it down to 2 trades, but it was just one. That was the last one that I took. So we're gonna end the day here, and wish you guys good luck for the rest of the day, because there's not much moving, and I'd rather go spend some time out rather than just sitting here waiting for something to happen. Not saying there's anything wrong with that. It's just, for me, I'm gonna head out for now. All right, so you guys please like this video, subscribe, and share with your friends, and see you guys in the morning. Thank you guys so much for watching today. As always, make sure you trade at your own risk. Make sure that you are willing to lose what you trade, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Thank you so much.